Hey guys, today, let's learn how to turn on or how to put parental controls on your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and put some parental controls on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys. So what we need to do first is to go and launch the settings application, and the parental control is gonna be located under your screen time settings. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, and let's have this turned on. Basically, once you're here, you now have content and privacy restrictions turned on with, of course, every little setting on your iPhone device. With the iTunes and apps, you could actually go ahead and double check or over uninstalling apps. You could actually set it to don't allow or allow with deleting apps. And in app purchases as well, it also require password before downloading so that your kid or the special kid that you were trying to cure up won't necessarily make some accidental purchases on the iPhone device. We got actually do the same as well with using specific applications, as you see. Also with content restrictions on specific content with music, movies, and web content as well. And you could also do the same with little setting that is available over here under the content and privacy restrictions. And that's how you guys could put some parental controls on your iPhone. So please like this video and subscribe as well.